It is very interesting that the majority leader can purport that they are doing young Kenyans a favor, while it is indeed them who had put this punitive provision in the finance bill. It is...
Okay. No, you must allow... Order. You'll allow that member her time to make a point. Go ahead. Finish your point.
It is unfathomable that he is the one suppressing the young people of Kenya and yet pretending to offer them help.
Thank you. Thank you. The Honorable Minority Leader, I'm going to give you. I'll give you.
Chair, first...
Let's have him first, then you come.
Chair, first I stand to support this amendment. But Chair, I'm happy that my deputy has acknowledged and he has realized that legislation is done in the House and not in the streets. So you should propose more so that we can agree with him, Chair. Because they want to do it in the streets other than doing it here, and now we are agreeing with them. For the benefit of Kenyans, and the amendment belongs to the committee and not him.
The Honorable Youth Leader, you have something you want to say about...
Chair, no, just because the Honorable Member for Kirinyaga, my good friend, Jerry Maina, mentioned me adversely, saying that I brought the bill. This bill, first, I know she has not read it also. It's signed by the chair of the Finance Committee. Honorable Speaker, if you... Honorable Speaker, I'm very meticulous.
That's too below.
This bill, for the benefit of those who have not read this...
That is too below the skirt. That is too below the skirt. You will withdraw it. That is too below the skirt.
Thank you, Chair. Thank you, Chair, for your guidance. I beg to withdraw that reference.
Thank you.
But for the benefit of those who have not read this bill, for their benefit, this bill is signed by the Honorable Kuria Kimani, MP, Chairperson, Finance and National Planning. Number 2, FCPA. Number 2, Honorable Chair, this bill, these are proposals that come from the National Treasury. The chairperson of the Finance and National Planning Committee does not have a single proposal coming from him. These are proposals from the executive. So for the benefit of my good friend Jerry Maina, to know that you and the chair of the Finance Committee and myself are legislators, we oversight and represent the people. That is why when the chair proposed we amend the date on behalf of young Kenyans, I prevailed upon you, and the leader of minority has agreed with us that we need to agree with the committee that this proposal is good. Don't just vote no.
Thank you.
Because Wamunyoro has said you vote no.
Thank you.